guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back here in the new shop and I just had to plow the yard out first, but gonna be working on this Denali again here. I pretty much have this frame and everything wrapped up, except for obviously the steering gear box, which I'm still waiting for, or possibly get that thing rebuilt. I'm not sure yet, and still need to finish that cab. So I'm gonna go back to the farm today and start welding some that Uniside back on there and everything. And then also for this other 2022 Duramax, actually the new cab is ready to pick up, so gonna probably go pick it up on Monday here, and so probably tomorrow I'll start stripping this down, pull the cab off, and get this front rad support off of here. So this should just come off pretty easy with it right here, and hopefully I should be able to save that and then just stick that onto the new cab, because the new one has it is silver, but it does have front end damage, so I'll have to use that unit or that rad support assembly, but it should come off in one big chunk, and then we can just pretty much put the new cab on the frame, tack it into, put it on there, get it into place, and then that'll be good to go for that. So and then we can start prepping that one too, so it should start to come together pretty good, and hopefully, and then also that 2022 Terrain that I got, hopefully the body shop's done with it here pretty soon, and I can go pick it up probably Monday too, hopefully, if everything goes well. I don't know, they called me and said they were just about done it. So and then also on the Corvette here, while I'm in here, this still needs to get torn down a little bit more. I need to pull this front suspension off here and all these modules, and probably start getting this thing pulled apart, because I think I should be able to redo or do it by myself. Oh, we'll see. Either get the frame shop to do it, or I was actually watching Goon Squad's video there, and they actually just changed it, and all this stuff came off pretty easy. So might just pull it apart the rest of the way, and then maybe see if I can get this pulled apart, and I think it should all just glue back together. Because I mean, once you have it in place, as long as this stuff's not damaged, right, you change these pieces, it's going to change this inner and outer, and then I'm gonna have to get a new floor pan, which is just fiberglass, I'm pretty sure, and then this front piece comes off. But once that all lines up, it pretty much just screws together, right? So should be able to just change that up pretty easy. I think, I don't know, we'll see what the body shop quotes me to change it, but if they can do it pretty fast and not too expensive, I might just get them to do it, because then they can put it on the frame rack. I don't know exactly for these side rails if you have to line them up somehow, or what exactly it lines up with, but it looks like it kind of just can't really be adjusted. You just change the broken pieces, and they're not very complicated. So they just make it so hard to get the parts, right? So that's why they bought a parts car, and maybe that's not what I should have done. But there's no really parts car in Canada, right? Parts cars in Canada, usually there was one other one I've seen sell this year, and it was a 2023, and it had damage kind of similar right here, so it wouldn't have been any good anyways, and it went for like I think it was like 67,000 Canadian is what it sold for, which is insane, since this one was it was 35,000 bucks out the door, which, I mean, it is a 2020, but it's only got, I think it's got 6,500 K on it or something. So but anyways, I'm gonna run to the farm here and get some work done on that cab. Alrighty, so I got the Uniside pretty much all the way welded on here, and I actually went and set the roof skin on, and it's looking pretty darn good. So the Uniside's pretty much done. Just need to go over it with a floppy disk here and then touch up any pinholes I might have, and then the roof skin can pretty much get prepped. But I still need to take out this back window because I need to fix this. I'll show you how much it's off here. I'm gonna change this back piece. So as you can see, here's how much it's pushed down there. So, but I'll need to take that window out to be able to fix that. But I'm probably gonna do next is finish that Uniside right up so it's ready for some spot putty, and then I want to get put the fender brackets on here, get this all finished up so the front's done, and then tackle that back piece and the roof skin there. So the roof skin will actually be pretty easy to put on. Just a lot of spot welds to weld back up, but the worst part is just getting this window out, and then I'll just change this piece on the back here. But once that's done, I mean, it'll be pretty minor. The Uniside went on there super nice. I just put a little piece, that piece that I cut off the end there, I just stuck it on the inside and then just welded a little spot weld on there, and made it really easy for welding it. I mean, it's kind of the cheater way to do it, but at least you get really nice penetration that way, and you can get it a little bit hotter without having to blow a hole right through, right? So, but yeah, I mean, once I get the roof skin and that done, I'll get this thing prepped and ready for paint, and it'll be pretty darn close. And this side's pretty much good, I think, except for I got the little bit of I guess from when the wheels got ripped off, it hit the side here. So what I'm gonna probably do is just fix that, and then since it's actually got a little ding right here, I don't know what that's from. Maybe the mirror. The mirror's fine though. I don't know why, but I'm gonna probably just blend this door. So I'll just fix that little spot and blend this door, and that'll all be good. So I can actually just blend it separate. I can just take it off the cab and put it on the stand and do that. So, and I'm gonna probably have to paint both Unisides, because this other Uniside has a little bit of it's got a little ding. Well, it's got a little ding right here. And then I think up here, maybe not. Oh, there's a tiny little dent right here. So, I mean, you might as well just do it, because I don't really have to paint the whole side, just them two little spots, and then just clear coat the whole entire side, and clear coat and paint this whole entire front piece. And I'm thinking actually doing the roof black, possibly. I think they look pretty cool, since the rims, I've got them black rims on it, a little bit of chrome, black roof, should look pretty darn nice. And yeah, so it's getting pretty darn close. And I think I'm gonna call that our wrap for today. Gotta run home, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go pick up, or I'll work on that other 2022 Duramax, and then on Monday we can pick up that cab for that one too. So I'll have to do the grad part on that too. So, but yeah, they're all getting kind of pretty close, and yeah, and feeling kind of crappy, so that's why I haven't really worked on them too much. So it'd be nice to start getting some projects finished up here, and getting them all together, because I got stuff everywhere. Just all the sheds are full of stuff at the house, and I got like five projects apart right now, plus that old 71 C10 that's still apart. So it'd be really nice to get this some stuff together before I start doing the tan and drywall in the shop here. So, but another day of welding, and I think I should have this thing pretty much wrapped up and ready for some paint. So that'll be real nice. But anyways, thanks for watching, and tune in for next one. Peace.